Hey gang, we are very excited. We are up here at what was Health Solutions and has evolved into Human Blue. There's an event tomorrow that you should know about. We just want to give you a sneak peek at the changes because Human Blue is now going to lead the world in wellness right here in Scottsdale North. So come on in while Aaron gives us an overview and shows us why it matters.
Welcome
Aaron,
back.
thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. Give me a hug.
Nice to see you. Welcome back. I can't wait to show you what we got going on here.
Show us around.
Lots of new stuff. Come on. Okay. This is now called our Human Optimization Lab. So along with all the other great stuff we have some new toys. You're going to be able to, at our event, learn about the Proteus. So this is like super high tech, really, really fascinating. Another new thing we have just looks like a black box. This is called Panoe. This is something that analyzes your breath to determine everything about your metabolic system.
I've been reading about that technology. It's incredible.
It's incredible. And it's just breathing. And it's one of 5 points of measure we have now. So we will do 5 points of measure testing your breath for your metabolism. We're going to check your entire body composition with the in-body scan. And the Proteus is going to check your strength and power.
Will that help my golf game?
Yes.
Okay.
We could test you in a golf swing, and this will show exactly where your issues are, where you're weak, and it'll help you strengthen them.
It'll even tell me how.
It'll tell you how, and our trainers will work you through that. We will also do strength testing on the ARX.
I know that bad boy.
You know that, yeah, not fun, but it works,
Exactly.
right? And our last piece of equipment is called a Menla scan. But this is going to scan your entire body and check every single body system you have.
Is this the one you said like an 80-page report or something?
Yes. I still haven't gotten through my report. But to help you do that, we also have 2 naturopaths on staff.
2 doctors here.
2 doctors here.
I heard you guys have a new arena football team.
You heard right. Yes, we are the new home for the Arizona Bandits. And these young men are coming here and just wowed by all this equipment. They are loving it. But what's cool?
Ladies,
yes.
want to see some hot bodies?
You're right. You're right. And what they love is what we all love. We can measure it. Oh, and by the way, we also have a medical esthetician now. So she does everything for skin regeneration.
What can't you do?
There's nothing we can't do.
Well, that is so good. And so tomorrow is the day.
Tomorrow's the day. Yep. Come early if you're one of the.
What's early? What time?
It's 4 to 7.
Okay.
The first 50 people are going to get a swag bag full of really nice stuff.
Nice.
That's fun. We will be set up in stations. All of us that work here, all of our trainers, our doctors, and a lot of our vendors. So we'll be able to explain every piece of equipment.
If you have any interest in this, come up tomorrow. Get a little swag bag, right?
That's it.
Meet these guys. Get a good sense, at least a feel for what they can do for you. It can change your life.
Absolutely.
But tomorrow, February 13th, what time?
4 to 7.
4 to 7.
Yep.
Come up, see these guys. It'll be worth your time. It'll be fun. I won't be here with you. Unfortunately, my son's last basketball game is tomorrow.
But the Bandits will be here.
The Bandits will be here?
We're going to have a lot of football players here.
OMG. Come meet these hotties. This is going to be good. Aaron, I love you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming back.
Yeah.
I'll see you soon.
Okay. Hey, we wanted to keep it short, but I hope that teased you into coming up here tomorrow, February 13th, Human Blue, Lone Mountain, Scottsdale Road, 4 to 7. Really, it's worth your time. And if you like this, share it with friends. Get them up here and follow us. Thanks for listening.